Hey guys, welcome to WAPlus tutorial. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use WAPlus CRM from scratch by answering the following 5 questions. First of all, what is WAPlus CRM? Well, it is a customer relationship management tool based on WhatsApp Web. Let's move to the homepage. It is a totally free WhatsApp CRM tool. We focus on conversation management, customer auto-reply and quickly reply, and also chat notes, which improves the management efficiency, and you could chat with non-contacts through WAPlus CRM, which helps you get much more new customers. Now the CRM extensions are available on Chrome Extension Store and Edge Add-on Store. Secondly, who are the users of WAPlus? E-commerce platform, clothes store, hotel, massage service, and even real estate agent. As long as you are a business firm that needs to deal with customers, WAPlus meets your needs. Additionally, how many users does WAPlus have? We have got over 30,000 users from all platforms. Like there are over 20,000 users from Chrome. We do have lots of users from Edge and the web version. Furthermore, how can I install WAPlus CRM? Step in Chrome extensions, search for WhatsApp CRM. Click install, that's it. Or let's start from Edge add-ons. Search for WhatsApp CRM, click install, done. You could also start from WAPlus.io to try our web version, which is the same from the extension. Finally, how to use WAPlus CRM. Open the extension. Since we've already installed it, just click to start. A small trick. Remember to pin WAPlus CRM as a shortcut. It is more convenient for you to use on the next time. You have to scan the QR code with your WhatsApp app on your mobile phone, cause this is the first time you log into the WhatsApp app. Now, what I'm showing you is the WAPlus interface. It is different from normal WhatsApp app since the extension is working right now. The extensions are consisting of 3 main parts. The top left corner focuses on conversation management. The top right corner is the console of WAPlus, and you could manage each customer or group through the buttons at the bottom left side. On conversation management, there are several tags. Some of them are default tags, like all, unread, awaiting reply, needs reply, auto-reply. Awaiting reply means the conversations, which ends with your sentences. Needs reply equals conversations end with the others. Auto-reply is one of our functions, which I will emphasize later. Users meeting these characteristics will be automatically sorted in the tab. Click Tab Setting to make your personalization, like VIP customers, or maybe unpaid customers. You could add customers to the tags by yourself at the same time. That's almost all about conversation management. Let's move to WAPlus console. Create a broadcast or bulk message sending by broadcast. It jumps to our website after clicking. Then finish the process step by step. Remember the VIP tab you've just created? You can select the tab now. It's easy to send bulk messages to your customers with this tool. In order to save time, I will not demonstrate them here. You could start a chat with anyone you want, which greatly facilitates marketing and promotion. Furthermore, it helps you test whether a phone number has been registered as a WhatsApp account, like if I put 911. See, it doesn't work. Now, let's take a look at the quick reply. I can set several scripts as default, like, "Hi, sorry to bother you, blah blah blah." Hi, are you interested in blah blah blah? Here is our product's introductions. If I'm talking to a customer or a group, click the script, and it will be sent automatically. Next is contact info. We could select the stage and type in more information of each customer. It helps you quickly identify and distinguish them from each other. Next is WhatsApp tool, which are consisted of auto reply, schedule message, and pin chats. For auto reply, we have mentioned it before. Let's set a new reply now. I want to auto reply the price of the shoes to my customers, so whenever somebody mentions how much, shoes, or price, the price will be sent. And also, there are many options make the auto reply more intelligent, like only works on weekends, don't work on groups, or don't work on active chats. Then, this is the list of scheduled message. I will explain it later. You could pin more than 3 chats here within WAPlus now. This breaks the limit of WhatsApp. Finally, all the notifications are shown here. It is called Remind Me. Here comes the last part of WAPlus CRM. Let's get started from sending scheduled messages. Edit the message, set whether to repeat. Once finished, it will be displayed in the chat. You can shut it down or manage it. All the scheduled messages are listed at WhatsApp tool. Remember to follow up. Create a reminder so that you will receive the remind messages in the notifications. Contact info is at the same as the contact info at the top right corner. Schedule an event with your customer through Google Calendar. Sign in with your Google account, and it will be easy for you to request a demo with client. At last, add the customer to tabs here. Remember the conversation management on the top left corner? Click to categorize your customers. Now, you've finished WAPlus CRM tutorial. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, leave comments for me or leave feedbacks on WAPlus.io. Have a good day. See you next time.